After the big day, cleaning and preserving your wedding gown. The impact of fun, dance, and outdoor weddings on your gown. After a day full of fun, dancing, and possibly outdoor activities, your wedding gown may have taken some wear and tear. The fabric may have picked up dirt, grass stains, or be slightly wrinkled. Activities like dancing or moving through different environments, such as sandy beaches or grassy fields, can lead to unexpected damage or soiling, which is why it's crucial to address these issues promptly. Stains and damage. Quick action and what to do. When stains occur, quick action is key to minimizing permanent damage. If you spill something on your gown, try to blot, don't rub, the stain with a clean cloth to absorb the substance. Avoid using regular household cleaners, as these can damage delicate fabrics. Instead, consult a professional as soon as possible to prevent stains from setting and causing irreversible damage. Stains can also hold a certain charm. These marks are telling a story of your big day, the spilled wine from a toast shared with close friends, or the grass stains from dancing outside in the fresh air. Each stain captures a moment that adds to the uniqueness of your celebration. It's a reminder of how lively and full of life your wedding day was, and how you and your guests created lasting memories together. Cleaning versus preservation. What's the difference? Cleaning involves removing dirt, stains, and debris from the wedding gown, ensuring it looks as good as new for the immediate future. Preservation, however, goes a step further. It involves a more specialized process that prevents the fabric from deteriorating over time, particularly due to exposure to light, air, or humidity. Preservation includes cleaning, but also encapsulating the gown in acid-free tissue paper and storing it in a sealed, archival quality box or garment bag to prevent yellowing, discoloration, and fabric degradation. Steps to take for long-term preservation. To ensure the long-term preservation of your wedding gown, have your gown professionally cleaned as soon as possible after the wedding. Avoid wearing the gown more than once to prevent wear and tear. Store the gown in a cool, dry place, away from sunlight and humidity, which can cause the fabric to degrade. Use acid-free tissue paper to stuff the gown and prevent it from creasing or losing its shape. Store the gown in a preservation box or bag designed specifically for bridal gowns. How to safely store your gown. Proper storage of your wedding gown is critical to its preservation. It's important to store it in a breathable garment bag or a preservation box. Avoid storing it in plastic bags, as plastic can trap moisture and cause the fabric to yellow or deteriorate. The storage area should be dark, cool, and dry, and the gown should never be exposed to direct sunlight or fluorescent lighting. When folded, use acid-free tissue paper to avoid creases or pressure marks on delicate fabrics. Displaying your wedding gown as a keepsake. If you choose to display your wedding gown as a keepsake, it's important to use a shadow box or display case made of acid-free materials. The gown should be carefully arranged to prevent it. Subscribe for more. Wedding Gown Tips by Zanobia Sewing.